after a long wait, finally my custom iMac is here. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing and I know it's been a while since then. Well, I'm back. I do hope that you enjoy this segment of the unboxing. I really love unboxing Apple product as they are all very well thought of, even down to the packing of the cable. It's so well presented, and I must say that they have a dedicated packaging team in Apple to create such a wonderful unboxing experience. And this is also part of the branding strategy. When you can get a lot of consumer unbox your product, you got more attention. So I guess a lot of companies should actually take note on this, as it could bring you potential buyers in the future. So just take a look at how they pack their own cable. Everything is so neat and tidy. You know that they do shipping all around the world, right? So the cable still stays in the same place, same position as what they wanted to. So this is a brilliant move by them. Take a look at this brand new Lightning to USB Type-C. It is packed so nicely that it locks in the box, so it won't even move around. Next is the brand new Apple Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. So this Touch ID is basically the same as what the MacBook Pro user have initially, and right now it's moved into the keyboard itself. You can use the button to wake your iMac up or even make your purchase with just that button. Next included in my package is the Magic Trackpad. I don't think anything is upgraded in this trackpad except for the color matching and also it's more rounded in the corner to match with the keyboard itself. And I must say that the Magic Trackpad is a tool that I don't think a lot of people will use, but recently me myself have started to use it a lot more. No idea why, but it's satisfying clicking it. At the back of this iMac, you will see a brand new MagSafe power connector. So all you need to do is just to bring your power cable near to the power connector. It will snap right into it. So if you are wondering if it's easy to pull off, no, it is not as easy as you thought. You will need some force in order to pull it off, so not to worry that it will fall apart. Alright guys, so it's time for me to set up my brand new iMac with all my programs, Photoshop, Illustrator, Final Cut, etc. And that is it for my video. If you guys enjoy this content, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!